Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Pisces, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys, so you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have Queen of Wands, Nine of Swords and Seven of Cups in reverse. So Pisces, in your situation today, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in this relationship. You are someone who's really dedicated, loving, caring, and you are a very friendly person. You help people, you support people in your life, and whatever your situation is, you are really responsible. So whatever decisions that you make, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship, you have a strong determination to see it through, to complete it, and you are someone who has that perseverance and a strong will and determination in your life today, guys. And maybe in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, certain things you would have you need to meet within a timeline, maybe a completion of some projects, or maybe you have given your word for someone, or you have told that you will do this to this person you love, but today you are unable to keep up that word, and you are someone who is really honest, truthful, and you stick to your words or stick to whatever you decide for. You have a strong will and determined person you are, guys, and that is the reason you feel really sad, stressed, worried, sleepless, maybe because you are unable to complete, or your circumstances are in such a way creating a lot of problems or obstacles for you today, guys, and that is the reason you are feeling all this stress or sadness. So something has come up, the reason for you not able to complete or keep up your word or do certain things in a particular timeline. So that is again causing a lot of stress for you, Pisces. So it may be something you have told this person, maybe you have promised them something, so you are unable to keep up a promise. That may again be a reason for problems in your situation, guys. And Pisces, but I also see, guys, in this situation, if you are really determined, if you are really working hard, making efforts, making honest efforts today to complete or to finish whatever you have taken up, and you are making efforts till the end, your situation is going to change, guys, for sure, and there will be something unexpected coming to help you out of this difficulty today. So there is a change also waiting to unfold in your situation, Pisces. So these worries are not going to last long, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card, and this is your first crystal and second crystal. So you can either choose the crystals or the cards. So before choosing, we will close our eyes, meditate for a few seconds, think about our situation that needs to be answered. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this crystal and this card aside. So we will see what is the card for those who chose this card. Let's see what it is. It's an angel card, guys, and it is Archangel Raphael. So with this card, whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today, helping us out in this particular situation. So this angel stands for healing, guys, healing at all levels, healing mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and physically. And his healing light will ensure safety for us, safe travel, and guiding us and helping us, assisting us to reach our destination. So it may be a destination we may be reaching physically, or it may be a dream destination for ourselves, maybe the emotional growth that we have, vision for ourselves, or a spiritual growth that we have hopes for in our future. So whatever the destination is, this angel is here guiding us to have that potential and choosing a nurturing and a very healthy lifestyle for us to follow, so that it will increase our potential we have in our life, guys. And with this card, there is also that energy for you to heal yourself and help others also to heal in their situation. So whatever is beneficial for you and for the people around you or the people with you, to help them in their physical and spiritual growth. So you should go for those actions, and we will get that insight and clarity in our situation. So whatever needs to be done, that is what this angel is here guiding us today, guys. So maybe it is time we are maybe in a circumstance healing from something, maybe healing from an illness or healing from some emotional stress, and this angel is here guiding us today to get that clarity, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading with this card. So let's keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we will see what is the card, and it says come to the edge. So with this card, guys, it just means that today it is the time for us to take that leap of faith in our situation, overcoming fear and accepting the risk that we are facing today in that circumstance. So in a relationship, sometimes we need to take a risk. So we often hide ourselves, protect ourselves, so we never reveal what we truly feel to that other person. But today, maybe you need to take that risk yourself, allow yourself to be truly seen. So what you are, you need to show it to that other person. So it is important for you to speak up, voice what you need and say what you want, and only then this person will understand you and you will be able to build an authentic relationship. So if you want a deep, meaningful relationship, this is not the time for you to play it safe, but it is the time to take that leap of faith, take that one step towards truth and reveal what you truly want to this other person. And you have to have courage in your heart, guys, and need not fear about what this person will think or what they will assume of you. So you have to just show them the truth, and you need not fear. The results will be amazing, and you will feel wonderful for having shown this person your true nature, your true feelings, and your true emotions. And this is the time for that. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the energy with this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.